Welcome to Lighthouse Live's At Home Edition. Today's news for tomorrow's leaders. Today is Thursday, April 9th. I'm your host, Camryn. Today we are broadcasting to you from my backyard. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we have a special treat. Allie from 5th grade chorus is going to sing the national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red flare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave, and the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Later on in the show, Stella from Miss Darty's class is going to show you how to do Stellagami. You won't want to miss it. But first, I will send it over to Dr. Fowley and Miss Choate with their daily update.
Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday to you. Today is Crazy Hair Day. Mrs. Choate, you look awesome.
Well, thank you very much. I thought I'd try something new today. What do you think?
I think it's great. I think you should wear it all weekend.
We'll see about that. Well, I'm just here at home, so I guess it doesn't matter, but I like it.
Yep, it looks great. Very shiny. I'm sure the dog likes it too. So what's tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow, guess what?
What?
You've got a day off.
Yes, no school.
No
All right,
school
maybe
tomorrow.
I'll just stay home. I'll
That's
stay
right.
home, but there's no school.
Yeah. But on Monday, we're having Lego Day or Block Day. If you don't have any Legos, that's cool too.
Awesome.
And we want you to send in some pictures of some creations that you're building.
That would be great. I love playing with Legos. And boys and girls, we love it when you send things into Lighthouse Live at rowlettacademy.org. And just like one of Mrs. Cryby's students, Lillian, you know, she's learning how to compost. And she's making a whole poster, and she's really figuring out how this whole compost thing works to help with plants. Did you see that, Mrs. Choate?
Well, I did see that, and that's super cool. And what a great thing to do for the environment. So,
how do you do it?
How do you do it?
Yeah.
Do it? Well, first, I guess we want to ask, why should we compost? And Lillian says that by using your table scraps, you can make richer, better soil for your garden and reduce waste.
That's cool. Hey, if you grow some really cool things in your garden, you don't even have to go to the grocery store.
That is true.
All right. Here's how you can do it. How can you do it, Mrs. Choate?
Well, you can first get yourself a compost box.
Okay.
And then you need to find a place for it outside. It can't be too sunny or too shady. It has to be just right.
Just like Goldilocks. Okay, keep going.
Yeah. And then you need to get your materials. So you start with the base soil, and then you put your trash on top. But Lillian made it very clear that there's good trash to put in, like coffee grinds and vegetable scraps and eggshells. But then there's also stuff that you don't want to put into your compost pile.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Yeah. And
All right,
so Lillian says reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Well, that is such an awesome home project. Thank you so much, Lillian. And I know Mrs. Cryby's pretty excited about reading that as well. But boys and girls, I know you guys are doing some great things there with your schoolwork from your teachers, or maybe just some fun projects with your mom and dad. Send them in. Pictures, jokes, anything that we can talk about on the news. We want to highlight you all. and send it to lighthouselive@rowlettacademy.org. Well, I hope everybody has a wonderful day today, Thursday, and enjoy your Friday off. And Monday we'll be here soon. So maybe you'll do some cool things over the weekend.
Yeah, can't wait to see your crazy hair pictures.
Yes, send them up. All right, guys, have a great day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Today we have a virtual Choate chat. Here's Miss Choate with her special guest.
Hi, good morning, Jace.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good. So tell me what you've been up to the last few days.
I've been doing my grammar every day, and IXL. Our grammar is in IXL right now,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm doing my wig fine.
Oh, yes, I was going to ask you about that. So when you were in school, you chose a personal wig. And for those of you who don't know, well, everybody should know, what is a wig? It's a
Wildly important
goal. A
goal.
wildly important goal. And your personal wig was what?
Manners.
Focusing on using good manners. So have you been working on your personal wig at home?
Yes.
Okay, so can you give me a couple examples of how you've been working on your personal wig of using good manners?
Keep my mouth shut while I'm eating.
Okay, good. Nobody wants to see your food in your mouth while you're chewing, right?
No.
Okay, I like that. So table manners, and what else?
Holding the door open for people.
Okay, hopefully not too many people. Okay, good. Well, I'm glad to hear that you're still working on your wildly important goal. And have you had a chance to do any Zoom meetings with Mrs. Sheldon?
No. I've only called her on my mom's phone once.
Okay, so you're talking to her. And how are things going with your schoolwork?
Good.
Good. Good to hear. All right. So did you want to say hello to anybody?
Hi, Miss Sheldon and my classmates, and Joaquin and Miss Wood and Miss McKee and Agent and Miss Sexton Whalen.
Okay, sounds good. All right, Jace. So I am happy to hear that you're doing well and that you're keeping up with your schoolwork and you're still working on your wig. Great job.
Thank you.
All right. So we'll talk soon. I'll see ya.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Stella from Miss Dirty's 4th grade class to show her version of origami Stellagami.
Hi, welcome to Stellagami. I'm Stella. What's better than origami? It's Stellagami. Today we are making these adorable bookmarks. Look how cute this one is. If you want to learn how to make these cute bookmarks, stay tuned. Yay, you stay tuned. I'm using origami paper. You can use any paper. Cut to a 6-inch by 6-inch. First step is to fold it corner to corner. Make sure your folds are very precise. Okay, once you've done that, you'll bring this corner up to here, and then you do the same on the other side. So now it should look like this. Okay? So once you've done that, you fold it back to the big square paper. So now you can see the crease that you've made. So you'd bring this corner up to the middle and crease. Once you've done that, you fold it in half again. And so it should look like this. And then for good measure, you would bring this up here. And then do the same on the other side like you did before. And so now it should look like this. Okay, so first you bring your you see your pocket, and then you put this corner in the pocket. Okay, so then you do the same on the other side. And then put it in the pocket. Okay, so now it should look like this. You have your finished bookmark. So you can add designs to it. You can make it an animal like I did on this one. I taped ears to the back of it and I colored it. And that is basically all I did. So now you have your finished products. And how they work is you have your page that you're on. And then you put your bookmark on the page like this, as shown. Then you close your book. And it's a great time for reading. And then once you open it back up, you're on the same page. Nice. Now you have a good reading tool. Bye.
Thanks, Stella. That's all for today. Now here's Liam from Miss Irwin's and Miller's kindergarten class with our power pledge.
I'm a Powerella out of uniform and dress. I pledge to follow relevant rules and always do my best. I'll be remembered to treat and take responsibilities. I'll show respect to others and the properties. I'll second my first year to it I'm assigned. My attitude will be women and safety rules and mine. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and correction. Let's change my car, will soar more and understand the tides. I'm new and sharpen up my power as my back.